Welcome back everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'll be sharing healthy, delicious desserts that are gluten-free and dairy-free. They're also super easy to make, and these desserts actually remind me of Christmas desserts. Share what you think in the comments about this. And if you like these recipes, feel free to subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes. Okay, let's begin. We'll begin with this almond yogurt muesli. Start by heating some oats in a pan over medium heat until the oats darken in colour. Then add some almond butter and stir this into the oats until it's well combined. I'm also adding almond flour and honey. You can of course use any liquid sweetener of your choice. Also add cinnamon and give this a stir, and some raisins. In a small bowl, I'm filling it with some vegan yogurt. Fill this halfway with the yogurt and then sprinkle over the muesli until it completely covers the yogurt. And then you're done. Wasn't that super easy? Next up is this sweet potato date cake. Begin by boiling some sweet potatoes in a pan. In the meantime, soak some dates in boiling hot water, or you can boil the dates for a few minutes. And then for the cake, in a blender, place in some cornmeal flour. You can of course use regular flour for this. I'm also adding some cinnamon, vanilla extract, and the sweet potatoes. You want to wait until the potatoes have completely cooled down until you add them to the blender. We're also adding the dates. Again, you want to wait until this cools down as well. I'm also adding 2 egg yolks. You can of course use coconut oil if you want to make this recipe vegan, along with some soy milk, and then blend this all together. Once everything is blended up, place it in a bowl and then add some baking soda and stir this in. Also add some honey. You can of course use maple syrup to make this vegan. Give this a stir until everything's stirred in well. And then smoothen it out. Bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. To make the custard frosting for the cake, in a pan we're going to add cornstarch and soy milk. And then once it begins to thicken, add the almond butter. Continue to stir this. I'm also adding cinnamon, however you can use any sweetener of your choice at this point, and continue to stir everything in. Then once the custard has cooled down, spread it over the top of the cake that has also cooled down. You want to avoid spreading the custard over a hot cake, otherwise it may absorb into the cake. And then grate some vegan dark chocolate over the custard. I'm also adding a cherry on top, as this just completed the cake very well. And final recipe is this almond butter pie. Begin by soaking some dates again. Once the dates have soaked or boiled, crush them using a fork. And then to make the crust of the pie, we're going to combine gluten-free oats, some cinnamon, vanilla, and some almond butter. And then add in the dates once they've cooled down. You're going to knead the mixture until it forms a dough consistency, and then press it into a springform pan until it looks like this. Bake this for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. And to make the filling, same as last time, we're going to combine cornstarch and soy milk. Give this a stir until it thickens. Then we'll add some vanilla extract. And then place the custard filling into the pie crust. Place this in the fridge overnight, and then once it's all set, you can remove the springform pan and then sprinkle the pie with some cinnamon to complete it. And that's it for today's recipes. I really hope you enjoyed these recipes, and if you did, feel free to subscribe for more healthy, delicious recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.